So, love the daddy yard. Me I love yard. Me love call Tantan. Me I love I talk to Tantan. When we are talk to Tantan and we are inquiry and we are talk about the things them, Tantan tell me, I explain to me more how it go. You need up on the phone for true love call you. You need up on the phone and talk to me about how it go. The idea they done and gone. Me realize that the thing still now work for me because the man say wait 24 hours. Or because true me put such a big Sean call me a talk my mind. And could I make a nation ring down my phone me a talk. Boom! Now the man said, when the man said, wait 24 hours. Alright, me I go wait 24 hours. Nothing still now go on. The thing now work. The thing now work. I want but my money. There. All of a sudden now, when me I text love, me say, tell man some more money, more my refund. Alright, me I go text him, me get him, text him on Snapchat. A picture back in my mind, you just tell me the other day, you don't have no form of contact to the nigga, you have to go through Tantan. You see a Tantan people them, and you have to go through Tantan, forget to the guy, number, forget to...
Reach a me yard. Me not supposed to expect no delivery. Me not send nobody at me yard. No, nothing. One man say for just, lock me always lock my window them. Me always lock my window them. Me in my kitchen at for take out the grocery them when I just buy. Me hear my door knock. Remember me can't see no because me buy my camera them and put them up. Me don't know if I put them up. So me not have the camera out there. Me can't see outside. Me can't see who out there because me don't wind up my window. And if I don't know who is out there, me not go say hello. Make sense? Me not go say who that like me are some white people. Me not say who that are hello. Me not out there. Me not expect nobody out there. So me with my common sense now, me go upstairs and me go look through my window to see who out there. Because my window them upstairs open. Thank God my son have sense. And you say this way, you make me put my son through a while ago. Me hate you now for that. You can never deal back with me. When me reach upstairs now, I come in my closet. I see one car. I have a picture so you can see a light. The black car out there, window them tilt. I can't see in the car. Car black, everything black, light on, a flash. I still can't see who downstairs. I just hear the doorbell. So I say, oh, so I ask Mommy Sweetness to send somebody and I come, Mommy Sweetness have my number, and Mommy Sweetness alone have my address, she have my address and Love have my address. Them the three people there are only people who have my address. Mommy Sweetness say and she and she. In my head, even if you are drive to come say you give me money, why are you driving on a whole different car with tilt up and black? And you know what I say? So me nah know who me nah think of she because she not in a fair car. And first of all, me done stated I don't need it. Keep that money, me don't want it. Me done gone about my business. Me don't have a friend, me don't have money. Wanna leave me alone. Me can't see who in a car, the car out there. Till the light lock off. First of all, you knock my door, you bring the doorbell and you not hear me go on. You start up. Why you even move the lock like where you tip my door? Unlock for you come in? Me not like that. Me see to more now so the knob comes. So like me don't know what the thing say me left my door open. Me come upstairs, me still can't see who. Mind you, me still never know see a she. Cause as me said, the window them wind up so me can't see who they through there. And when me go upstairs, me only see car, me still not see who down there. Cause now go show me at the door. So me end up have to call the police. I end up having to call the police because I remember I don't know who out there. You can't believe say me and my son in my closet in the dark for about almost 1 hour now because a long time I reach home. My son is a brilliant little boy. Me and Ice have to in the dark in the closet because we don't know who the fuck it is out there. And me have to have Ice on the ground and say shh shh shh. Because me don't know who out there. Car tilt up, car black, car park out, somebody downstairs and knock. Me can't see who. When me look through my window, I car alone me see. You know, long me Ice in the dark till the police them come. And when the police them come, the person walk from the door or when I don't know where they there. But when the police come, I realize yeah, she. I decide to say me still now go there. Bro, you make me have to call all police. You make me have to call all police and me yard and me just reach. Me hate you. Me hate you, girl. Leave me alone. Take the 350 and go on. Leave me alone, bro. Left me alone. Me no want it. Me make it back for my life tonight. Me good. Keep it 350. Leave me alone.
You know, so one day, me have a chill. You know, so me have up something for my registry for ice. And she said she'll go buy one of them. And I said, cool. Anyways, nobody never text nobody and ask nobody for beg for buy nothing. I just have my things them on the registry. She text me and said she go buy something for ice and buy something for me. I said, cool. She show me what should I buy. Look like she did try buy it and it never did work. It never did work for her. So she said, if me want buy it. So I said, fine. Yes, so me did it now and she know everything for my registry, right? She see me so far, she see everything for my registry. She said she go and buy something for ice, some iPad, something for me. I said, cool. So she did a try. Now go in. If me want buy it. So I said, cool. She said she will send me her card information to buy. Me have me proving on my phone. Me say no. Why you would have want to send me a card information with your information then pan it? For buy something off of Amazon. You don't need to send me a card. She said, me say, wait until I finish me that clean. Me not forgot. That time I never moved that side. Me the other house. Me say me a clean. So wait until me done. And call up on the phone and me see a waggy problem and you can place the order. Or you send me the money for what Apple Pay and place the order. She said, alright, me say alright. You know, so by the time me done clean and looking at my message, she sent me her card information already. She sent me her card information. No, I know one person like that where I know one person like that would report nothing or whatever, but just listen, she don't stay so. So she sent me her card info. Sometimes I text love. I text love and I said, Jesus Christ, love. You know, she said something that can me that tell love already. But it she will buy something for the registry, whatever. Love me, you know. So I said, Jesus. So I said, Jesus. So I said, Jesus Christ, love, you know, move, get out. I said, love, you know, so she sent me her something there. Maybe I should have known. She sent me her card information. So I love her talk about it and I love her talk about it. When I look now, I call her up on the phone. It going on my card. And I buy it. I never save her card pan nothing. Call her. She did it. I buy it. I hang up. Done. Tell me why now. After a couple days, kind of reach weeks yet. After a couple days, the lady gonna call me and ask me, no disrespect, but did you purchase or use anything else from my card? You know, said before me even answer, I'm gonna text love and I say, you see some blood clotting? You see something? And that is why I said, me have me prove them. So if anything, me have me message them can show. And that is why I say, see, me tell you, do not send me information, what can I have, and then you're going to tell me, so me not forget upset. So me heard up on the phone, and I get pissed off, because I say, what kind of fucking style? I tell you never to send me nothing. And all of a sudden, now you send me something, I buy something, I show you what I buy, it's supposed to dip on your account, for sure, say, and that's the only thing purchase, pan it. No, I'm not arguing, I'm just asking you a question, cool, done. Couple days after, you know, so the woman called me. I'm up on the phone, I'm add love on the phone, true. The lady called back and said, is her cousin with the Jamaica? Use her card because she have access to her card too. Some cousin, some relative, whatever, cousin, auntie, whatever the relative, and some relative, where she have a Jamaica, she give access to the card and at them, don't worry. I say, okay, cool. Done. Me glad me did me glad love hear everything. Done.
There again one day, the woman called me. My bank and whatever do some investigation and the card shows say here where the people them say buy and it's in Atlanta. She said one dog cage buy, one sofa buy. What else she said buy? One dog cage, one sofa and something else. Women remember. Something else upon it, women remember. And it's sent to Atlanta and them said the name upon it is Ivany. Why the things them where you tell me say buy the on my registry where you know and where you see, so where you try to tell me say maybe I use your card for furnish out my place? It chip out me, it plug out. So I call love. I love them on the phone. I love her for remind me say my name on Amazon is not even Ivany. Because when I just come to America, my sister used my Amazon card. I don't know what she did do. And then they restrict my account. And from that, anytime I did bill one account, it end up gone. So I suck me have the registry. Anybody know my registry know say my registry don't even name Ivany. It name Ivante, right? Because the registry is not for me. That Amazon is not my Amazon. It's a ice Amazon for when ice have up in things them on the registry. Right? So when love say but something of them, no one call her name. When love say but that can't right because all them for say the name Ivany when the Amazon account is not even Ivany, it's say Ivante for ice. And then again love say to her say then again that can't right because whenever investigation I do legally they're not supposed to tell you nobody name because they know why you go kill a person or whatever. That is why when time things are going, they not tell you a person name or whatever. So oh you also then tell your name. Me no want hear all of what lover said nor what she said. Only thing me call Amazon me hear them say that for themselves. But I don't want to call them because I already talked to them and the case closed because them say my bank deny it and they run the investigation and I just close it. Me say me not really care if you lock it, if you open it, if it a continue. Me not really business. Me just want you call them because I want you re-ask them what you tell me so me can hear what them a say for myself. The woman no want call them back. Cool. But then she try use mind game because she tell me say me say nobody at Jamaica did have access. But glad me love did it as evidence can and proof it here where the woman I say and love say but I that did say for true. I should take that off her cross she never like she say the person must be her cousin or some relative. So like me would have say your cousin and she say me never tell her say my cousin, me tell her say your auntie. It no matter cousin or auntie are still relative and that you tell me. No. Love says she end up did that try call me, but never did that get me. Must do one morning. Love the on the phone. Love say leave that lady alone because the people them say them never tell her no name. The people them say them never tell her that the stuff them did purchase for true, but it never purchased from Ivante account. It purchased from her account. Fair account. That means say anybody will have access to her account, share whoever, whatever them purchase, it purchased from inside her account. Bear in mind, me not have fair account. Me not have no from a Amazon account fair, which me would need to have an Amazon account fair because when I purchase the things and what she tell me for purchase, it purchase off of my own. It purchase off of my ice, we call it registry, and this I purchase off of, and them say it purchase off of fair account, meaning say whoever have access or she in a fair Amazon account and they purchase from. And some minutes I feel just look at me and say, Father God, what kind of people them here come my way, Jaja? What kind of crack, what kind of madness them here? Text him. I don't know, I never see nothing where me can text him. So I say, I cannot message him. I'll call Tantan for a number Same thing as some Jamaicans. Me not like deal with them. Because when me look on it, me realize them are Jamaican. Because the Jamaican flag and something come up. So I said, same thing as Jamaican. Me not like deal with them. I say, pick up. So I say, send me Tantan number. Kiss me fucking teeth. Mama Sweetness chat too much. Send Tantan number. Never mind. Got it. This way, I say, Mama Sweetness chat too much. Me call Mama Sweetness on the line. Mama Sweetness don't pan. No, a scam. A scam. I say, Mama Sweetness, stop it nice. Me can't up on the phone and you ball out scam. People record call and me not getting in no trouble for nobody. When me call me, Mama Sweetness and Love and Tantan up on the phone, Tantana tried to convince me, say, she have another link where me can use. And me as, when she says she have another link can use, Mommy Sweetness don't pan. You're deaf? Mommy Sweetness don't pan. No, a scam, no take it. Make sure go on. Don't pan, Mommy Sweetness, stop, Mommy Sweetness, take care and say them something, so me hang up the phone. So this is why I say, Mommy Sweetness chat too much, man. So I say, send Tantan number. Come on, call her. Come on, maybe I try call her. Forget my money now, because Love say a fair link. So I say, never mind, got it. I just get up, about to call now. He said he gonna PayPal to me at 3. This is from 12:20 today. I say, me a drive comfort. This at. All right, wanna see? So tell me if me wrong for feel some type of way or behave the way I behave. Wanna see the brackets them the gap them between the space. Wanna see say Love now text me back pan time. Love now text me first. Love now call me first. Love now act like she and me if you beg for my money. This at 12:20. He's gonna PayPal it to me at 3. You see how much time I give them? I text them back at 3:34. I say me I drive come for the cash in a bit. Me go Starbucks first. Okay, no problem. He didn't send it yet though, but he said he gonna do it definitely. Make me call him again. So if me did really did waste me da go down there, go sit down and look then in your face cause the guy no come. Me never did listen to this, you know.
Snapchat saying he's leaving a funeral.
Hear what the man will tell her.
And just send me one voice note upon Snapchat saying he's leaving a funeral, but he's gonna handle it ASAP.
The man text for Snapchat say him a left a funeral and him a go deal with it ASAP. All of these message back and forth, and you can't find them the time they for send back my money during them time there. So me say, Love, me really no want hear the crap. Me I get pissed off now. I me start get not. You see that when me send that message, I piss the fuck off. Me say, Love, me really no want hear the crap. Then she said, call me. This a when? This a lot. This a, you see when me say me really no want hear the crap. This is when me click my live. After me say, Love, me really no want hear the crap. Me call Mommy Sweetness. I call Mommy Sweetness, I mean Mommy Sweetness, I say Mommy Sweetness, I go click me live, you know. And while me there, I talk to Mommy Sweetness, me bubble a boil. Me bubble a boil, so till me have to say, Mommy Sweetness, later. Me know see I eat this now. And when me hang up now from the call, I click me live and I talk about it. And at the time they know, say Tantan call me. Tantan, where you call me for? Where you call me for now? Show me crash out now you call me. When me look, Lover call me. What Lover call me for? During the time when me a text you know ring me none tall. What uno call me for? All of a sudden me the live now, the money reach now. I don't want it. I don't want it. Keep it. Why you take me out take the money? Me don't crash out, me don't express my feeling already, me don't talk when me have to talk. You don't want it. Good. Make it up. Cause regardless, I still a go to school Monday. That not stop me. Don't come around. I'll make that back. You don't want it. You don't want the money. Good. Don't want it, me alright. Them make it look like me in need and me I beg them Brother, I always furnish up my place little by little, you know. Hello? All you have to do is be honest in yourself. You can't one deal with people with true and real to your son. So, I don't say it work in life. See that? Oh, mama sweet this number there. See that? I told them, yesterday I said, Mama sweetness, I buy my coach already, I'm a thing. Them it come. One I come March 25th, one I come March 30. I buy my coach, I'm going to buy the table, something with them. Fuck. I'm going on talk about. I have a coach already. I choose my place big, I need 2 coach. And some people are post on TikTok I talk about a 350 share cost for. You know I miss the point. It's not that because of 350. Me now cost because of 350. Me a cost because people are take me for fool for me 350 if it makes sense in our way. Me a cost because mind game a play for me. Lies I tell. That me no effort don't look like it a push for me get back my thing. Me feel like me I feel beg something where I mind where me gear. Me gear it so fast and it look like me have to beg you to get it back. And that make me crash out. Remember that crash out because I just 350. And that make me a crash out. I remember that crash out with them just come and talk. And nothing will make me vex so than a while ago when love pop up. Like, brother, I don't like them the sneaking thing there. You come, you just do that text Sheen. Why never text Sheen and say, Sheen, tell Vani, say, me dey pa my way I come now. Why could you say text Vani and tell Vani, say, me dey pa my way I come now for give her the 350. You could have text Sheen and tell Sheen that. You could have text Sheen and say, Sheen, tell her, say, and me a come for come let off the money. You know what I mean? But you come and you come in a one whole different car, smarty and knock me door. You give all a Yankee vibes. No Jamaican no come and people you come knock and they call. No Jamaican no come and people you and knock and call. If a long time girl a long time you out of me yard and knock, I just true me could see her who and me now go answer say hello for make nobody know say me there and me no know who out there. But if you could have out there so long and knock and wait, you could have called and make me hear your voice and you could have said Vani and then me hear your voice me da go out there now. You get what me I say? Me da go out there now. If me hear your voice me da go out there now. Then me have to call police because I don't know who out there. I say black car. Me have to call police for police go see who out the police know me address no girl. Me hate them the vibes, them not like them the style. Brother. You know it I go twist so you know. From see my phone can come back, me know me know my head without chip and I don't sorry one bit. Cause me no wrong in and no farmer way. I'm not care brother if them want to give up my address. I'm not business. If I feel certain me move. Simple. If I care about nobody. And me a girl, me smart. Me know love chat me with tantan them. Me know. Me know love sit down and chat me with tantan them. You see me a type of person. Me know things that me not say. Me just go with the flow. As some mistake. Me just go with the flow. Me know everything what going around me. Me just act like me don't know. Me just go like me a fool. Me have sense. Me have sense. But just not say nothing. Just watch it play out. I just not say nothing, but I'm not stupid and I know why I say it too. I'm not a fool. And that's why I stay to myself. No care see me grown people. Me just always there on my phone. Me? Phone is my best friend. No care where me go. I'm stuck in my phone more than anything. I'm just there on my phone.